Hi guys. Hello. Let's just try to play this game. I'm new to this game, sorry. I'm so sleeping, so I just don't know what to do. Only that. Wait, let's be quiet for a moment. Okay. I don't have a gun. Wait. A moment. So this is so boring. So I will just show you. I will show you how I come. So you have to run with me. So I can be happy. Please. No, don't mind that. I didn't do that.
Helping me?